Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I'm ready to do your phonics lesson. And remember, repeat after me. Here we go. We're doing rhymes first. First, you're going to repeat after me. Then remember, you're going to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. Sight, red. Doesn't rhyme. Name, same. Fun, run. Pass, seen. Rope, hope. Nice job. Okay, next one, onset fluency. You're going to repeat after me. I'm going to say a word and then the first sound that it starts with. Gone, g. High, h. Jump, j. Kid, k. Now, n. Great. We're going to blend words now. So we're working with compound words, remember. So you're going to repeat each part after me, and then we're going to clap it together. We're going to say it at the same time. Okay. Nick, name, nickname. Sun, set, sunset. In, side, inside. Tea, pot, teapot. Story, book, storybook. Great job. Next one, we're going to do our roller coaster. This is where we're going to listen for that middle sound. So remember, you're going to do the roller coaster with me, and then we're going to name the middle sound. Here we go. Dish, ish. Middle sound, I. Good. Win, in. I. Fill, ill. Middle sound, I. Mix, ix. I. Pit, it. I. You got it. Nice job. All right, now we're going to need our choppers. We're going to be segmenting words. We're going to be cutting that word, compound word, into two pieces. So we're going to say the whole word, then cut it up. So repeat after me. Sunday, Sunday. Himself, himself. Football, football. Download, download. Toolbox, toolbox. Excellent. Now we're going to be adding words. So you need your hands for this one. All right, we're going to start with the word foot. Add print, footprint. Sweet. Add heart, sweetheart. Some. Add where, somewhere. Ground. Add hog, groundhog. Candle. Add light, candlelight. Great job. Next one, we're deleting words. So you're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take away a part of that word. The word is doorway. Without way, what's left is door. Cannot. Without not, what's left is can. Mailbox. Without box, what's left is mail. Snowman. Without man, what's left is snow. Sweetheart. Without heart, what's left is sweet. Great. All right, we're going to continue with our rhyme today. Yesterday we learned the second line, and now we're going to learn the third and fourth line. So I'm going to do all 4 lines today, then you repeat. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Nice job. We will continue tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.